Robot here from Vespa Motorsport, scooterwest.com. For all things Vespa, check us out on the web, scooterwest.com. So today I'm going to show you how to install the Cuppini front rack. It's an affordable, classic front rack in comparison to the factory Piaggio rack that we also carry. Works pretty good. It's kind of got a pretty classic shape. A little tricky to install with a single mounting point, and we'll get right to it. Only a couple basic tools needed, like a T30 Torx driver, a 4mm Allen, and some other small incidentals like some masking tape along the way. So let's get this rack installed. All right, so I have the front rack. I fixed it down with a zip tie. It's going to make for a much easier installation. When I have some masking tape handy, I'll just put it on the scooter, something a little thicker. It's not exactly where I want it, but we need to sight this hole with where it's going to line up. And as you see, I don't have those rubber suction pups on. Got the tape pretty close to where I want it. Just the reason being is the rack may come and touch the body of the scooter very gently. You know, you definitely don't want to let it drop onto the scooter. So once you have that situated, don't worry about the suction pups. You want to take this plastic spacer. It does have like a white film on it. You scrape it off with a plastic scraper. Then you have the spacer and you put just the rubber washer on there. So go ahead and get the screw through the hole to the second layer. Want the handlebars centered, and you're going to want to get that to line up, and it's pretty high, just like that. And just carefully get it started. I'm going to make sure it's not cross-threading, just going straight into that single mounting point on the scooter frame. There we go. And then we'll carefully get both the hooks over the leg shield edge right here. Just like that. So it's over the edge right there. At this point, we'll be able to slip the suction pups. I don't have that screw. It's started, but not all that tight. And you can see I kind of have a little angle to these. Kind of matches the contour of the bodywork. And if needed, you could put a little bit of silicone spray on the rubber boots so they kind of like line up. So something like that. And make sure those stay hooked. They're centered, kind of self-centers with this screw. This little plastic spacer just stays like that. And just like that, it's on there pretty good. And adjust these suction pups if you like. Last part is this little hole plug right here. It's also the rest for the rack. So you may need to split this open a little bit. The fingers, or you could use like a little screwdriver or something just to give it a little bit of a flex so it will fit over this tube here. So spread this little plastic spacer open. Maybe a little tricky to do by hand. And then you could slide it right over that hole. Just like that. Cut the zip tie. And now you have the Cuppini front rack installed. So pretty simple mount, just a single screw, and it also hooks onto the chrome leg shield edge. And you have a classic front rack. Put everything from a 6-pack to maybe a beach towel on there. Nice thing about this rack, it requires no drilling like the original Vespa rack that you need to drill into this front horn cover. As you can see, pulls down, got enough space to put a small box maybe a 6-pack of your favorite cola, or maybe a beach towel. Thanks for watching. Robot here from Vespa Motorsport and ScooterWest.com.